The Boring Bar Deflection Calculator helps you determine how much your boring bar will deflect under cutting forces, preventing chatter and improving machining accuracy. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your unit system from the dropdown. You can choose metric with millimeters, newtons, and gigapascals, or imperial with inches, pound force, and mpsi. I'm using metric. Next, choose your bar material from steel at 200 GPa, aluminum at 70 GPa, carbide at 400 GPa, or custom, I'll select steel at 200 GPa. Now enter your bar diameter in millimeters, your overhang length in millimeters, and your cutting force in newtons. If you selected custom material, you'll also need to enter the elastic modulus in gigapascals. For this example, I'm entering 10 millimeters for bar diameter, 10 millimeters for overhang length. Ours is 10 newtons for cutting force and 10 gigapascals for elastic modulus. After clicking Calculate Deflection, we get our results. The bar deflection is 0.00 thousand millimeters, essentially zero deflection. The LD ratio is 1.0, and we see a green check mark with good LD ratio, excellent rigidity, minimal chatter risk expected. This calculator helps optimize your boring operations for better surface finish and tool life. Find the link in the description below.